Welcome to our introduction to first language acquisition. We'll be exploring the core concepts of how humans learn their native tongue. Language acquisition is one of the most remarkable feats of human development. It's the foundation of communication and cognition. First language acquisition, or FLA, is the process by which children acquire their native language, usually before the age of 5. FLA is a complex and vital process because it unlocks the ability to express thoughts, understand the world, and participate in society. Let's dive into some of the most important concepts surrounding first language acquisition. The critical period hypothesis suggests there's a window, typically in early childhood, where language acquisition is most effective. A central debate is nature versus nurture. Noam Chomsky proposed we have an innate capacity for language, a language acquisition device, or LAD. However, environment and linguistic input are also crucial. Children learn the specific language they are exposed to through interaction and context. First language acquisition typically follows predictable stages of development. The earliest stages include cooing, followed by babbling, where infants produce sounds from all languages before settling on their native phonemes. Around age 1, children enter the one-word or holophrastic stage, where a single word can represent a complete thought or desire. Next is the two-word or telegraphic speech stage, where children combine words in basic subject-verb or adjective-noun structures, omitting function words. Finally, they progress to complex sentence development, incorporating grammar rules, function words, and expanding their utterances dramatically. How do children actually learn and internalize grammatical rules? Overgeneralization is a common mechanism, demonstrating that children are actively forming rules. They might say "go ed" instead of "went" because they've learned the ed rule for past tense. Behaviorists like B.F. Skinner emphasize the role of imitation and reinforcement, where correct language use is rewarded, strengthening the behavior. In conclusion, first language acquisition is a fascinating interplay of biology and environment. Remember the stages of acquisition, the debate of nature versus nurture, and the critical role of linguistic input. The language learned in these early years profoundly shapes cognitive development and communication skills for the rest of an individual's life.